For today's buttercream flower piping tutorial, I will show you how to pipe a lilac using a drop flower tip. Begin by attaching a square of parchment to a flower nail. Now use your coupler or a large round tip to form a base for your lilac. The size of the base will determine the size of the finished flower. I'm going to use my number 224 Wilton drop flower tip, and if you don't have this specific tip, any drop flower tip would work. Beginning at the tapered end, I'm going to start piping my lilac flowers. I'm going to apply pressure and then release and pull up, sharply pulling away to form each of these flowers. I'm going to twist my tip slightly in between each of these flowers to ensure that the petals are piping in between the little gaps from the previous lilac flower. Continue working your way up towards the end of the base. As always, you can find the detailed written instructions along with the buttercream recipe and coloring instructions down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out at the end of the video. As we reach the end, we want to get slightly wider here for the bottom of our lilac flower. Now I'm just going to come back up to the top and add a few more lilac flowers, tapering off to form a nice tip. And that is how you pipe a lilac. These look fantastic layered on the top of a cake, and if you're doing it this way, I recommend putting them in the fridge and then transferring them. If you're piping them on cupcakes, it looks great if we add some leaves. So to add the leaves, I'm going to use a tipless piping bag that I have cut into a V shape, and I have a whole video on how to do this that I'm going to link down in the description box below. So beginning at the base, we're going to apply pressure and then slowly drag your bag up. Release pressure and sharply pull away to form each of these leaves. And that is how you pipe a buttercream lilac. If you ever enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. I'm going to link some more piping tutorials here for you. Thanks for watching.